Hi, welcome to the demo of the Collis Personalisation validation tool for production. With the introduction of the EMV chip standard, card payments have become more secure. However, EMV also makes the production of banking cards more complicated. An error can occur at any stage of the card personalisation process. In combination with a steady increased number of cards, it brings new challenges to the banks and service providers. Maintaining a stable, high level of quality is one of these challenges. Collis PVT for production can help with this. This new state-of-the-art tool is based on the original market-leading Collis EMV PVT. Basically, it has been developed in new directions to give production facilities the same trust and quality that has been enjoyed by users of the Collis EMV PVT for the last decade. This new solution is based on Collis's extensive global consulting experience, listening to the challenges that customers are facing and the obstacles that they need to bypass. Imagine receiving the green light for production of your smart card, only to be confronted later with unexpected costs associated with flaws in the actual card production process. With Collis PVT for production, the quality control is increased substantially. Before we get into the various versions, let's have a quick look at the different processes involved in card production. Here we see a typical process that goes on in the research and development environment. The administrator of the quality assurance tools performs all necessary procedures for establishing the profile for the production of a new card type. Standard version of Collis EMV PVT is used for validation of the card or card image. Using a reference card or the chip profile definition document, the administrator creates a personalization template, a file that contains values and a structure of data elements that must be present on a card. PVT Template Editor allows for manual modification of the template data. Here we see the setup in the production environment when using the PVT for production standalone version. The personalization template is stored in the database of card templates. Every first card, or say one out of a certain batch of cards being produced, can be tested using the Collis PVT for production software. This is a really easy to use product, which you'll see later. Once it has been set up and configured for a particular card profile, all the operator needs to do is take a card, place it in a reader, click on Test Card and wait for the result. If they see a green tick, they can continue with production. If they see a red cross, they need to take action and consult with the administrator or head of quality control. This approach is very clear and straightforward. Collis also offers a client-server version of PVT for production for larger production sites. This is where Collis EMV PVT server is running on a dedicated host. Specialized client software is deployed on several client PCs, which are connected to the server over a TCP/IP network. The advantage of this solution is the possibility of performing tests from multiple workstations, whereas the test configuration and the template database are centralized. The personalization validation does not require carrying test samples to a separate workstation or maintaining multiple setups of the testing system. Okay, let's create a template from a card that has been given the green light for production. Click on the Utilities tab, followed by Create Collis Template. If you're interested in viewing our entire demo and would like to see in detail how this tool works, check out our website www.collis.nl. Then simply go to Products and Solutions and click on Demos. We have a wide range of demos for our test tools on offer, especially in the areas of card personalization validation, ATM or point-of-sale certification, such as MasterCard tip testing, Visa ADVT testing, and even spying the communication between a smart card and a terminal. Many of our test tools have been qualified or validated by the big payment schemes such as Visa, MasterCard, JCB, etc.